At Greenstock, we believe gardening should be simple and accessible for everyone, everywhere. Some of the problems we were trying to address is we needed to make it so it could carry a heavy load, so that it could drain, which was very unique. That ended up being a patent. And it needed to be able to move. And then part of the draining was being able to direct the water where you wanted it. And so we tried to answer all of these with our universal spinner. In the end, it ended up being 3 different parts, 3 different components. The process starts with me designing something in the computer. And so, number 1, it had to fit our Greenstock, but we also wanted to be able to accommodate other planters and anything else somebody wanted to spin, but also move around, and especially something that might drain out some water. Once we're satisfied with the design, then we go and build steel molds to produce these parts. And so in this case, there's 3 different steel molds that produce the ultimate spinner. One mold produces the top, one mold produces the bottom, and one mold produces the bearing race. So most all of our parts are made right here in East Tennessee. And once we have built the molds here in Knoxville, we send them to a molder, and he'll take these molds, put them in a press, and in his process, he'll inject the plastic into the molds and produce the parts that make the ultimate spinner, and then he'll also do the assembly. Those parts will get loaded on a pallet, and then they'll come right back here to Knoxville where they're going to ship to our customers. And just like that, something that starts out as feedback from you ends up as part of your garden.